This is a question that's asking us about the maturity value of a $40,000 note. On a note, we have the face value, which is the amount the note is written for, and that's the $40,000. And then we're going to have a stated interest rate, and in this case, the interest rate is 9%, and then we're going to have a period. This one happens to be a 40-day note, so it's going to be, someone owes us $40,000 at 9%, and they're going to pay us 40 days from now. So we need to be able to determine how much are they going to pay us. To calculate the interest, we use a formula, and the interest is equal to the face value times the rate times the time. And the maturity value, which is what they're asking us, is equal to the face value plus the interest. So we need to be able to calculate that interest. The interest we can now substitute. I'll change my color here. We'll go to green. And the face value of this note is, let me erase this for a second. The face value of this note is $40,000. The rate is 9%, and the time is 40 days. And we do that over 360. We all know there's 365 days in a year, but they do 360 for banking purposes. The reason they do that is because originally it was easier to calculate. If they were doing the calculation, remember they were doing it before calculators, they were doing it before computers and so on. They were doing it with a piece of paper, and the bankers actually did a lot of this in their head. So 30 days divided by 360 is a lot easier to calculate than 30 days divided by 365. So they did it based on that. The amount of interest was insignificant, so that's what they do. The government, on the other hand, does use 365. But we can do our calculation here. If I take the 40,000 times 9%, 0.09, times 40 divided by 360, that gives me $400 worth of interest. So my interest is worth $400. The maturity value of this would be, maturity value is equal to my face value plus the interest, the 40,000, plus my interest of 400. So the correct answer would be 40,400.